Our rabbis tell us that before you were even born, your souls were attached. That's why they're called soulmates. And then temporarily they split your souls, and Jared, your soul came down and landed, well, all over the world technically. And Noah, your holy soul landed somewhere in the Upper West Side. And how is it possible that these two souls are going to ultimately meet? That's God's business. And Baruch Hashem, tonight, you're making yourself whole again. That's why you feel so good. You've bound together as one.
As she was getting ready for her wedding, you would think that she would be concerned about what she looked like or her hair or her makeup, but that was not what she was concerned about. She was concerned about, how do I spell the Hebrew name of the person that I have to bless when I'm at the chuppah? When it's supposed to be all about you, you thought about everybody in this room.
I was sitting on my bed with a broken knee, and Noah comes home and said, "Mommy, I met the guy I'm going to marry and I want you to meet him." And I couldn't even move, and I said, "Noah." And she said, "Mommy, when you meet him, you'll understand."
And we understood.
We met them, we saw the two of them together, and we understood that they each found their half and they were meant to be.
Now that you're married, you should always feel like it was the first time you met, and never ever forget that God created you for each other.
There's such a synergy between you. And Baruch Hashem, both of you have very, very fine character. Both of you, B'ezrat Hashem, are going to make a very, very, very great couple. And you couldn't get married at a better time. Do you accept the conditions of this ketubah?
I accept the conditions of this ketubah.
Hare,
at
Mekudeshet,
מקודשת לי
בטבעת
זו
כדת
משה
וישראל.
וישראל. Behold, you are sanctified
unto me with this ring
according
to the law
of Moses
and Israel.
In context to everything going on in the world today, peace, love, and party.